How does Garmin measure REM sleep? If you're curious about how Garmin tracks your REM sleep, you're in the right place. Let's break it down step by step. To start, Garmin uses a combination of advanced technologies to monitor your sleep stages, including REM sleep. Here's how it works. Garmin devices, especially those with optical heart rate monitors, rely on heart rate variability, HRV, and motion sensors. HRV measures the small changes in the time between your heartbeats, which is crucial for distinguishing between different sleep stages. During REM sleep, your heart rate tends to be faster and more variable, similar to when you're awake. Garmin's algorithms analyze these heart rate changes to identify when you're in REM sleep. For instance, if your heart rate is faster and there's minimal movement detected by the accelerometer, the device can infer that you're likely in the REM stage. In addition to HRV, the accelerometer in Garmin devices tracks even the slightest movements. While you're in REM sleep, you tend to move a bit more than during deep sleep, but less than when you're awake. This data helps Garmin's algorithms to accurately determine the periods of REM sleep. Garmin's sleep tracking also considers other physiological markers, such as restlessness and overall heart rate patterns. By combining all this data, Garmin can provide a detailed breakdown of your sleep stages, including the duration of your REM sleep. For example, if you check your sleep report on the Garmin Connect app, you'll see how much time you spent in REM sleep, along with other stages like light and deep sleep. This information is presented in a simple and easy-to-understand format, often with a sleep score that ranges from 1 to 100, giving you a quick idea of your sleep quality. While Garmin's method is highly accurate, there can be minor discrepancies, especially for very active sleepers. However, Garmin continuously updates its software to improve the accuracy of REM sleep detection. In summary, Garmin measures REM sleep by analyzing heart rate variability, motion data, and other physiological markers, providing you with a clear picture of your sleep stages and helping you understand how to improve your sleep quality.